One of the most underrated tools on the trail isn't a locker, it isn't a winch, it's a spotter. Having someone guide you through tricky obstacles can make the difference between making it through and bashing up your rig. So today we're breaking down how to use a spotter on the trail and also how to be a good one. So when you're behind the wheel, your view is limited. You can't always see what's right in front of your tires. And forget about what's happening at the rear of your truck. That's where a spotter comes in. They're basically your eyes on the outside. A good spotter can help you pick the right line, avoid damage, and keep you and your rig safe. But here's the key, both the driver and the spotter have to be on the same page. Before you even start moving your truck up a trail, set up some clear communication. Hand signals are the most common, and they work even when engines are loud and radios aren't handy. Make sure to keep it simple. One hand pointing left or right for steering, both hands pulling forward for come straight, and a flat palm for stop, and a thumbs up if you're all clear. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't want your driver guessing what a hand wave means halfway up a rock. And if you're not using hand signals, say passenger or driver to tell your driver which way to turn. Driver, turn driver. If you're spotting, your job is to stand where you can see the tires and the trail ahead, but you also want to stay out of the way. Don't stand directly in front or behind the vehicle. Pick a safe angle where the driver can still see you. Always focus on tire placement. Think of it like this. The driver is looking at you, you're looking at the trail, the rocks, the ruts, and making sure the truck stays on the line. If you're unsure, stop the driver. It's better to pause and adjust than just let them roll into something blind. Imagine hitting the trails in this built 2022 4Runner and $10,000 in your pocket. Well, now's your chance to make it a reality. Head over to the site. Every $1 that you spend is going to be one entry, and that single dollar could be the start to your next adventure. The clock is ticking. The giveaway ends November 10th, 2025. Click the link down below for all the details. Now let's get back to the video. As the driver, your main responsibility is to trust your spotter. Don't second guess halfway through. If you've chosen a spotter, commit to them. If you can't see them in your mirror or windshield, stop until you can. And always go slow. Spotters can't save you if you're moving too fast. Think crawl, not charge. Another tip is only one person should be spotting. Too many voices causes chaos. Keep the hand signals big and clear, and if you're driving and confused, stop and ask. And remember, trails are supposed to be fun. A spotter isn't there to be bossing you around. They're there to help you get through safely. So the next time you're out with your friends wheeling, don't just muscle through everything. Use a spotter. It'll make your day smoother, your rig happier, and your trail crew a lot less stressed. So if you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. It definitely helps us out. We're always posting videos like this, install videos, or vehicle builds. And if you want to pick anything up for your Toyota, make sure to head over to YotaXpedition.com. We'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.